Yeah, this is the tent that I set up. There you can look at the inside. So I have a scout trail, and I use a pannier to anchor the tent because I did not pitch it. I'm too lazy and pretty darn tired. Just using the rock, you know, to anchor it. So this side just for ventilation. Yeah, that is Jody.
Hey,
Jody and Jody Beautiful Camp.
Yeah. My house.
Yeah.
For a long time it will be my house, but I have a big garden.
Yeah, very beautiful valley.
Yeah, big garden.
And this seems like we have some visitors.
Yeah. The neighbors. I think it's the neighbors.
Yeah. And that's our bike, and we're gonna tie them together. So it's a beautiful valley, you know, with a patch of flat land.
How are you? Fine.
Hello. Yeah.
How are you? From the other side? Do you have the neighbors?
You
from? Spain? Spain.
Malaysia. Yeah. So I think later Jody we're gonna cycling about 1 kilometer up there to the town to buy something, and I'm gonna take care of this. Yeah, this is 70 kilometer from Srinagar, and today we climbed like 774 meter, and the altitude here is 2,180 something. As you can see, the weather is quite good. I hope tonight will not be raining. No raining for tonight. Yeah. So the traffic coming from upstairs, so hopefully they will not disturb us. Yeah, let's call it a day. Tomorrow is a big climb.
Not so big.
Yeah.
Don't lie, not so big.
Yeah,
you already did it today. 600 meters up. It's okay.
Okay.